Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video I am going to show a very beautiful and amazing hairstyle, hair buns, mini hair buns, cat hair, mini hair buns idea. So please watch this video till end. And please ask me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. These all the hairstyles are amazing and enhance your beauty and cuteness. These all the hairstyles are amazing and cute looking hairstyles. These all the ideas are amazing and easy to make at home with the help of comb and different accessories. So please watch this video till end and ask me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Mini hair buns are a type of hair accessories that is used to create two small buns on the top of the head. Mini hair buns are a popular choice for hairstyle such as space buns, half buns and messy buns. So please watch this all the beautiful hairstyle collection. Watch till end and ask me in comment section which type of new videos you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and then press option all to alert my daily routine videos that I have uploaded daily for you. To create two mini buns with two pieces mini hair buns, following the steps: brush your hair and part in the center. Create each section of hairs into a high ponytail at the top of your head. Twist each ponytail around itself to form a bun. Attach the mini hair buns to the base of each bun using the pin or bobbing pin. Using your fingers to smudge out any flyaways and skirt the buns with hairspray. Here are some tips for creative perfect mini buns. Make sure to brush your hair before starting. Hope so you like this all the beautiful and amazing tips. So please watch this video till end and watch more different type of hair buns, mini hair buns. If you want to see more ideas about hair buns, about hairstyles, about hair color and more beautiful hairstyles ideas, so please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas about hairstyles, about beautiful hair colors ideas. So please watch this video till end and please ask me in comment section which type of new videos you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. If you want any question, if you want any idea about hairstyles, so please tell me in comment section. I will explain you full detail with step by step in my comment section. Take care of yourself, like my videos and share with your friends. Mini hair buns are a visibility to and easy to use hair accessories that can be used to create a hairstyle that are a great way to add a touch of fun and stylish hairstyle to your look. So please like this video and share with your friends, with your relatives, with your customers, with your hairstylist experts and others, and like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and then press option all to alert my daily routine videos that I have uploaded daily for you. Thanks for watching my video. Keep watching my all the videos till end. pray for me. May Allah be live long, stay happy, and take care. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.